Hi everybody, my name is Gargi and I am from IS Orion, Hindu Colony, and now today is my first day and I am now going to certify myself in Google Drive. So first this is the site of Whiz Junior and now I'm clicking Google Drive. It's uploading. I have solved MCQs, practicals I have to do, but I have to get now certified. So now I will click on go to certificate project. So I've clicked on it and now as you can see I have solved the MCQs and I have got 47 out of 50. And now I am going to see the project details. These were just few videos from project toppers. So the topic is exploring Google Drive. So now we will see what to do. First I have to sign in my Gmail account. So I'm clicking on here, the plus, okay, I will click here only. Google. Okay, first I'm going on google.com and here I am doing Drive. So here I've clicked on it and now this is my account and I am clicking my password. So now I'll click on next. So it is recollecting all my data. So it will take a few minutes. So now it has done all. So now first I will delete this because this is again in our project. So now I have to delete this too. I remove it. Okay. So now we'll see what to do first. So now we have to create a new folder name project and color code it. So now I went in my drive and clicked over here on the new bar and clicked on folder, which will give me a new folder. So now I have to name it. So as I have been directed, I have to name it as project. I've named it and now I'll click on create. So now here you can see it has been created. So now this is my project and now I have to color code it. So right click on it. I'll do it. Right click. Now change color. I'll click here and I'll give this color. So okay. Now the next step is to upload a file from your computer on your drive and create one new Google Doc and save it in the project folder. Okay. So first I'll upload a file. I'll again go in new file upload and there this is the file I had created. So here I'll click open. Till that I'll just do something. Yeah. So I've opened it and now I'll go back. I'm not able to see it. Oh, I by mistakenly deleted it. So I'll click on restore and I'll see click on show file location. So now I'm able to see it here. Now I'll again go on certification Whiz Junior. And now we'll see next step. Okay, we have to create one new Google Doc file and save it in project folder. Okay, now my drive, open the project folder, and now here we'll click on new and Google Docs. So here just I'm typing something. Okay, so I'm just click something on the keyboard. I don't know what it is. Okay, now I'm getting out of it. Okay, now I'll do Control S and go out. I think so. Okay, so now we can see our doc over here, here, and now we'll go again in my drive and see the next step. Okay, now we have to rename the file and change the view to grid. So I'll go here and go inside. So this is my file. I'll right click on it, which will give me options, and I'll here click on the rename option. So now I'll name it as sample and click on OK. And now I have to change the view to grid view. So now I'll go on my drive and click over here. Now the view is list view. When I click on it, it will automatically become a grid view. So now I'm again going on the Whiz Junior site and seeing the next. Display the activity window. Now I have to display the activity window. And this is the activity window. Now let's see the next. Upload a folder from your computer, star file and check the file in start folder. Okay, so now I'll go in my drive and now I will right click on it and click at add to starred. So now here we can see the star, and to check it we can go in the star folder, and now here we can see it. Now I'm again going in my drive and the page. Now the next step is to download a file from your drive to computer. Now I'll go here and I'm downloading this file in my computer. So I'll click here, download. So it is going in. So here as you can save, and as I know that it is already downloaded, so I'll do it. So now we'll go again on the site and see the next steps. Next step is to share that file with one of your friends and give her only comment permission. So now I don't know my friend's email ID. So I'm just writing it to my mom. So I'll again go to the project, means my Google Drive, my drive. So now I'm first sending her this. We can either right click on it and click over here, or we can single click on it and click over here. So both the ways will lead you to this window. So now I have to enter her email ID. So here is her email ID. And now I had been told to restrict her to only comment. So over here below aside it, there was some pencils kind of icon, and below there was a drop down arrow. So I clicked on the drop down arrow and it gave me few options. So now I am clicking on can comment. So now my mother can only comment on the file I sent her. So now I'll click on send and it will be sent to her. So now the next step was to share another file with your friend and give her only view permission. So now I'll again go on my drive, project, double click on project, and single. Okay, now I'll use the right click option. Right click, share, and now here I'll again type select her, and now here again instead of can comment I'll give can view, which will show an icon of an eye. And now I'll click on send. So now it is being sent to her. Okay, now it has been shared. Now let's see. The project is now over. So now I will sign out. I click on it, and here I will sign up. Sign up. So okay, now I have signed up, and thank you to watch my video.